The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Everyone's having a good day. I'm having a little bit of a bad day. I'm dealing with some NinjaTrader issues. Give me a few minutes. I'm running behind. I did a quick reboot. Good morning, Black Beauty. Good morning, James. Hey. Hey, Mike. So I have a headache. Woke up with a headache. Anyway. So, had a good night last night. We're up $410. Hoping to add to that. Have not looked at the markets from overnight, so let's look at those. See, NQ curled up a little bit here. High of the day so far, 12,332. Low, 12,224. So a little over 100 points of range. It depends. There's a setting in Trade-of-8 to automatically roll contracts, I believe. Hold on, give me 1 second on that. Maybe not. I thought I... Oh, yeah. Here you go. Mike, under the settings, where you go up here on Trade-of-8, this application setting button, and then under preferences, auto roll contracts enabled. Black Beauty, I believe most of these other programs are working on getting Trade-of-8. It's just NinjaTrader now owns Trade-of-8, and NinjaTrader is really, really slow in getting this rollout done for other companies. Okay. Copper's been coming up most of the night, making new highs as we speak. About 160 ticks. Good morning, JC. How are you? Gold, pretty tight range, about 8 points. UltraBond. Over a point in range, also pretty tight. Seems like a pretty tight night. So Crude, wow. I thought Crude was coming up last night, and it did for a while. Oh, that's a daily chart. No wonder it looks weird. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Disheveled this morning, I guess you could say. So yeah, 82.43. See how far Crude had dipped. down to 81.20. About 2 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas, which looks to have about 120 ticks of range. Anyway, so that's where we stand, or sit, or whatever the heck we're doing. I had to quickly reboot my computer, so I'm running a little late on stuff. Oh, the wire? And, okay, so yeah, news today. ECB interest rates coming up here in about 30 minutes. Jobless claims, of course, at 8:30. Powell speaking at 9:10. Crude oil inventories at 11, as James just said. And if anyone's trading into the afternoon, we have a Fed speaker at noon, a Fed speaker, Yellen speaking at 2, and another Fed speaker at 2:20. And Q is continuing to head down, so this has been a beautiful trigger. Fortunately, I was figuring out what was wrong with Ninja Trader at the time. Kind of watch and wait. Here's the rest. The gold's making a nice rise up. So is oil. So while we're doing that, let me try and still not happy with Ninja Trader right now. Good morning, Mr. G. Yeah, I'm doing really good. Now I just wiped out my workspace. Yay! try this again. Give me a second, guys. I'm playing with NinjaTrader. Sorry, guys. There we go. How's everyone doing this morning? I'm going to keep bounce a little bit. Okay, back to here. Sorry about that. Okay. Thank you. Trying to bounce here off the EMA. And back down. So, let's see how this goes. And, let's see, what's BTC doing? Huh? It's holding above 19,000, although it did dip. It didn't dip under. Thank you. China's moved down. This could be an up, down, up move. We'll watch. Okay. Thanks to that, I got my NinjaTrader issues figured out. So, good morning, Dakota. Oh, still coming down here on NQ. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture's not doing much. Looking for something to trade, but we'll find something. Like I said, up $400 in the Asia session. I stopped trading at uh 9:30 my time, 10:30 Eastern. But I'm always up after that. I was up until about midnight my time. But I wasn't trading at that. Once my stream ended, I stopped trading. So, watching here. Something to do while I look at some things here. Excuse me. Good luck on that, JC. That was quick. Well, while we watch for this, I'm going to eat my breakfast quick, my eggs. If you're enjoying our content today, please hit the YouTube algorithm. We wait and watch. Dow and Q is pretty much matched up here, you can see. So a nice move to catch down, but started before I came on. It'll pop up there, not a lot. All right, guys. Friday afternoon, 3:30 Eastern time ish, on John Burrell's podcast, Just Swinging It. Me and Canadian futures trader will be debating about the use of micros versus minis. He hates micros. The use of charts versus DOM. He hates charts. Puppies versus kittens. He hates kittens. No, that's not true. But seriously, we'll be debating that on Just Swinging It podcast. Live on Twitter Spaces, Friday at 3:30 Eastern. I hope you'll join me for that. Okay. And we're doing nothing here. Sorry, I'm still a little disheveled here from my early morning. Okay, I'm going to go back to eating my eggs as we watch nothing happen. Hope this isn't going to be a boring morning. Kind of want to add a few thousand to my 400. As G says, we're nearing the top of the hour, about 5 minutes to go. I have approximately 2 eggs to go. I use financial juice. Continuing to this kind of level here. Oh, you know what? I never sent out my notifications today that I went live. Well, that's okay. I forgot to do something. So, okay. Couple minutes to the top of the hour. Let me just scarf down the rest of these eggs. Eggs are done, and now we just watch. Looks like we're trying to potentially come up here, but top of the hour, almost. There's the signal. Of course, it'd have to come right. Uh, right at the top of the hour. Let's see. We still have slightly downtrending bands. It did hit the top band, so we'll wait. Yep. Right back down, right back up, down, up, left, right. AB start. Good morning, Crypticon. Still hugging that RSI. I don't know. We'll wait. Crypticon and I were killing the Asian market last night. He killed it more than I did. Taking a long here. Moving the stop a little bit closer. That was a 10-point stop. I probably should have just kept it where it was at, but we'll see what happens here. Ended the night at 410. Oh, on the trade, yeah, 250 on that trade, yes. Nice move up here. Yeah, that one was 210. I'm sorry, 250. And you made like 1400. Pull back here. I don't like this here. Okay, so 1508. My Asia sessions this all week have been green, and then I've been giving back during the day, so. Pulling back. Oh, this isn't turning out well. Watching this kind of gyrate. Wasn't the word I was looking for, but we'll go with gyrate. Oh, nice job, Crypticon. Absolutely, go for it. So, you want to know what happens when you have too many windows up and you are trying to figure out where you want to go with your cursor? I have my finger, usually have my finger on the exit button in case I want to get out of the trade, but I almost put my cursor on the end stream button instead. I'll take a look at it then when I'm out of this trade here, G. See the rise up here. Kind of stalling. keeps stalling, I might cut it. Yes, he is. Good morning, Matt. Good evening, Rod. Yep, try to add to him here. The 410s from last night. Nice move here. Yep, right back down. Cutting it. So Mike got out early, but I don't like the way it's just been kind of like failing here. It keeps getting beaten down. So it ended up being 5.5 points, so $110, which means we're now up $516 on the day. Thank you, JC. Oh, man, I didn't run the winner thingy. Okay, I'm not even sure what time is the German Open. Yep. Excuse me. 20 minutes until unemployment claims. Mr. G, thank you for that reminder. So, okay, and then what are we doing after that, Crypticon? He said to get out early on that trade, but that's okay. It was a winner. Again, if I'll be using two contracts, and I could have went with YM there instead and stayed in with one, but I don't know. See, I got in on this candle here. Should have been that candle there. Eh. Any chance you could send me a screenshot on that chart that on the chart you did that on? My email. And we did kind of level out here, so I'm not upset with where I got out. Did you take all three, Crypticon? And also, when do you sleep? Okay, no hurry. Just whenever you have a chance, Crypticon. There's, you don't have to do it right this second. 'Cause I'm not. But what time do you get up? I mean, like, what time do you seriously? When do you sleep? You're with me in the Asia session. You're with me here, and you apparently trade the London and German Opens, or you at least draw from them. So, good day so far today. Let's continue to build on it. Yeah, but if you die from exhaustion, that money doesn't do any good. Continue to watch here. Whoa! Holy wow! MightyOxTrading at gmail.com. What the heck just happened there? Oh, ECB. I even mentioned that. That's right. Ow, look at that candle back up. All the way back up. I should have played that reversal. I mean, this crimson line is a third standard deviation, so we probably went like 6 or 7. Yep, I even mentioned that when I was talking earlier, and I still forgot it. ECB rate hike 1.25%. And wow, look at it fly now. Holy crap. So I'm glad I got out of that trade there because that would have like been bad. Honestly, I'm gonna sound very noobish, but I kind of didn't realize the ECB did had that kind of movement to it. Yeah, that happened to me too, Black Beauty, the last time I put them in the washer. I was here quickly doing an email, and all of a sudden I looked at the chart and I'm like, what the heck just happened? Yeah, actually my dryer's not working, so I air dry everything. Also, apparently the Queen of England is under medical supervision after doctors became concerned for her health. Big move back down. Wow. Feel like I'm already late to the party there, though. Yeah, we're going to quick 10 points. Nice job, poor money. Yeah, I wasn't quick enough. I wasn't. Eh. This is. I admit this is one of my issues. When things happen that catch me off guard, I just start reporting on what I'm seeing without even thinking about entering a trade. I think, I saw this was already formed and. Yeah. I finished that email I was trying to write. Okay. Welcome everybody. That woke us all up. Everyone's having a good day. Thank you for joining me this morning. 1 for 1 on trades this morning. My totals up there include last night's Asia session. Up 516 total. Hoping to continue to build on it. Looks like we're maybe trying to either we're rebounding or bear flagging. That do for the algos. Most of the algos like it. They liked it. They loved it. Where's my gauntlet? Stuck? Oh. It's popping right back up. We are all now just 7 minutes away from U.S. unemployment jobless claims. So you can see how I should have played this. Once this broke this here, I should have gone into reversal mode. Because let's look at this real quick. Let's see this over. Let's mark this as a 6. You see we hit, not quite, so about the 5th standard deviation band. Yeah, we hit the 5th standard deviation band, so I knew it was going to reverse. Came up and then blew through the top band to reverse. So I could have quickly, even if I missed this, because I was totally caught off guard, this should have been my play to back to the downside. Well, have a great day, JC. Oh yeah, UltraBond made a nice move there too, didn't it? Wow, good job. I'm assuming you did an UltraBond trade, but that's just me guessing. Now this was a trigger candle on NQ, but it's kind of messed with that moving average, so I'm gonna wait. So now it's above that moving average. I'm gonna take a long here if it holds. Holding. Okay, like I said, no hurry, Crypticon. Do not rush. It's not like I'm gonna analyze it like while I'm on stream anyway, bud. So I appreciate it. Pull back. We are above the moving average, waiting for this to turn green. There we go. I'm gonna take the long here. See how we do. I almost always trade NQ. Yep, this was a bad idea. I just gave back. So up and then failed. Coming back down. Gonna stay out now until after unemployment. Yep. Didn't get far enough above that yellow line. Honestly, I thought, boom, 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 but nope. It went boom, boom. Would have actually been a better trade on YM there. Overnight trading, I mean, I don't ever, except for that one time a month, I don't ever trade like the London session. It's all from like 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern. Mark this as did not work. And we mark that as me being impatient and I shouldn't have taken that trade. And I'm not gonna mark well, I'll mark that. It worked, it was a trigger and it worked. Don't know why I'm making that clicking sound, that's gotta be annoying. This worked. And that will hold. A 1 hour time frame. It's just sideways the way it looks on the 1 hour. Looks like Chrome made a change. I'm not sure I like it. Now lines between everything. Yeah, trying to come back up. Unemployment here in a minute or in 5 seconds. Let's see what it does. Jobless claims, jobless claims. U.S. initial jobless claims actual 222K. Forecast is 235K, so that beat. Nice numbers. And the market doesn't know what to do with that. Maybe down. Down, down, down in the burning ring of NQ. I should have taken the short. I was going to there and I had trouble finding my chart. YM down 10. A and Q down 10. So I think Q's the winner here. Either of those would have worked. Swing low, sweet chariot. Yep, for NQ that swing low, if you include that wick, there is 225 or 243. Good morning, CBR. How are you doing? Sorry to hear that, CBR. Yep, I should have definitely took this short. Oh, there's the swing low, almost. Yep, just broke NQ swing low. Well, no, it bumped it. Well, yeah. I'll decide here soon. Seems like we're breaking down. Break it down something proper like. Chart to the side. So yeah, off the short here. This is a big miss on my part. 30 points. We definitely got to get you away from that work thing, CBR. Kind of pausing here. 12-2-15. What did I say our low for the day was? I think we just hit it. We're at our low for the day and actually sending a short signal on the hourly candle. Yep, this is our low for the day, 213 now. I'm going to take a look at this on a macro view. Let's look at it from... So there's the short, but I expect that to bounce on the hourly. 30-minute kind of grinding down. Bounce potential there. Of a bounce now. I'm not sure why I'm looking at a 2-minute chart. Okay. Curling up a little bit here. What's everything else doing here? Gold decided to fall. Oil down a little bit. UltraBond fading. Copper fading. Everything's fading. We are falling. CBR, are you trading this morning or you're just taking it easy? Take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Take it easy. Cool. I hope your stabbing goes well. It's kind of hanging here now. Not bonding anything. How's everyone else doing? This looks like it wants to come down further, but I don't know. This isn't my play, so I'm not going to jump in. Let's see here. Not if that gold trade would have sucked. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else moving. I mean, UltraBond's moving down somewhat, but it's already into that trend, and it's really not moving fast by any means. Not being rowdy, as CFT would say. You'll get that back, Dakota. Sure. Yep. I should have went. Oh wow, big move down. Trying to break through 12,200. Shorts are not getting wrecked yet today. Maybe it's just a false sense of security. As you can see, this has gone 46 points since my trigger. So it'll pop back up. We're about 45 minutes from the bell. It'll pop back up. Come on, give me something I can trade. You know, patience is important in trading. Honestly, and in life too, but you know. So watching him quiet this morning. I'm not sure why. I need to talk more. Just kind of watching here, waiting for some opportunity. We have keep wanting to go short. This because this kind of looks like a short, but eh. Eh. Gold on the 1 minute chart. That would have been a beautiful right there, right there, right there, right there. Came down 10 points since then. Bitcoin also falling hard. Up, down, down, up. So let's see. So I believe sometime next week we have the inflation report, CPI. That's always a fun morning. FOMC is on the 21st. Not sure when the CPI report is. Let's see if Juice has it. Tomorrow, not much news. Canadian unemployment. I'm not sure. They don't. Financial Juice doesn't have it on their calendar yet. CPI. And is the next CPI report. September 13th. I think that's Tuesday. That sound right? Yeah, Tuesday, CPI report. That'd be a fun morning. Get to see what inflation's doing. Yep, possible trigger candle here. I like it. I love it. Well, I kind of like it anyway. We'll see if it breaks. Not yet. To break 12,220, 12,224. Hey Jay, going all right? How are you doing? Nope, not breaking it there. Did not break it off something proper like. And right back down. Oh, trading views alerts are getting late. That came almost like 30 seconds after it actually did it. So let that EMA and bounce back down. Our bands are somewhat closing. It's closing time. See if this might be a up, down, up type move. Let's try it again. 10 minutes to the top of the hour and the energies market opens. It's flirting here. Flirting. Strong candle up. Strong candelabra. Wait, it didn't actually change the. Nope, that candle did not change the color of the EMA. Not a trigger candle. Not at all. This one's trying to be. Should have maybe taken it anyway. All's quiet on the Western Front. Oop. So you can see those bands are constricting. Only 22 points apart. As the market tries to find some direction after ECB and unemployment. Maybe you want to come back down here, though it's hitting that band. No real, well, YM actually looks better there. Wow, YM looks way different on the bands. Interesting. And Q is constricting more than YM. CA. It's fun to trade the YM. Yeah, breakdown here. Did not expect that. But, And we're about ready to hit break 200. So I honestly expected a bounce there. You see the bands are spreading out now and popping below my moving average on the Bollingers. We're waiting. So that ended up not really being a trigger candle. The color never changed. It just was kind of a bounce. And we watch. Nothing exciting going on. We're gonna take a look at Crude here for a minute. Trying to tell what it wants to do at the open, when its desk opens, and I'm thinking long. I don't know if I want to take that chance. Meanwhile, NQ continues to defy me and go down. So new low of the day, 186. $78, continuing to this drop here. Nice. I knew you'd get it back, Dakota. I should have followed YM here. If you can see, YM actually did give me a trigger on this move down. Right there, and then you can see, boom, short. YM wears short shorts. It's gone about 65 points. The shorts are definitely not getting wrecked today. And we're a couple seconds away from the top of the hour. ES, big moves down. Oh, still expecting a bounce on this next hourly candle, but maybe not because we were kind of squeezy. So we'll see. It's the 68-point hourly candle. There's the top of the hour. Energies are open. Morning, Ace. All of a sudden, I'm getting hit with the yawns. Oh, crap. Hey, Gameonic. Haven't seen you in a little while. How you doing? Matt LaRocco, Ninja Trader, uh, rolled my NQ, and I did not want to roll it yet. And in fact, I don't think it's time to roll it yet. And when I try to go back to 922, it's telling me invalid instrument. Is there a way for me to get 922 back on a chart on Ninja Trader? Okay. Ah. Okay. I think so. I'm trying it now. Nope, still telling me invalid instrument. Hold on. Okay, I'll worry about it later. For my issues, alright, I got 3 strats trapped and I can't get them out. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, G. Hey, RJ. Now we're kind of consolidating. It's still coming down. About 25 minutes till news. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, I got it. I got it, Matt. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And Q's still just kind of grinding down here. Oh, that's right. Pal speaks in a couple minutes. Me and Ninja Trader are gonna fight. Well, you're welcome. Glad someone's using it to its full potential. Wow, continuing to move down here on YM faster than we were moving down on NQ. Okay, I think I got my NQ issue figured out again. Swear it's gonna give me a. Okay, that's done. Good. Wait, turn that one back off. Nice job, Dakota. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think I'm all fixed up. I'm all fixed up. Yeah, yeah. Everything's grinding down. Pal speaking. Let's see if he's saying anything important. Nothing's. The pandemic contributed to the reduction in labor force size. No, really? The pandemic contributed to constrained supply. No, really? We wouldn't have seen such high inflation without COVID. Oh, so we have the Fed speak, we have Powell speaking and ECB's president speaking both at the same time. And John, how you doing? Another reminder, folks. Tomorrow, around 3:30 Eastern, me and CFT will be going on to the Just Swinging It podcast hosted by John Burrell. And CFT hates micros. CFT hates charts. CFT may hate us all. No. But we'll be debating micros. We'll be debating charts and technical analysis. And I will have to school CFT on some of these things. So I hope you join us. I'll be on Twitter Spaces. I'll have the link. I'm not sure if there is a link yet, but I'll find something to give you all tomorrow. EFT is trying to turn us all into chartless UB macro traders, and I just won't stand for it. $365, RJ? Uh, Something weird happened with my algo last night, John. For some reason, okay, I manually closed something on the TCP and it threw something off. And somehow it switched from NQ to MNQ and blew my progression ladder, so I'm gonna have to reset the TCP. It was doing real well too. It was up $700. But I woke up to NinjaTrader locked up. I had to repair the database. NQ bursting through here. Market's not liking something, pal saying. Let's see. We will not be influenced by political considerations, blah, blah, blah. History cautions against prematurely loosening policy. It is very much my view that we need to act forthrightly, strongly on inflation. We need to keep going until get the job done. Meanwhile, we'll just kind of sit here and wait. We are less than 15 minutes until the bell. See, the subscriber number went up one or two, so welcome to the new subscribers. Feel free to say hi in the chat. Glad to have you here. Those of you following my Sharevision saga about them not paying me, supposedly he finally got back to me after I threatened to leave the platform. But says he's checking into it and all that. But on Sunday night we might do YouTube and go to YouTube until they show they're gonna pay me. NQ's trying to send a signal here, but I don't like it. We'll still stream there tonight. No idea why Ninja's trying to roll us already. CME date for the roll is the 12th. We're just kind of hanging here, not doing anything. What did Crude do at the open? Yeah, Crude really, let's check a 1 minute chart. That was the open. That was a nice move. That would have been a nice move, yeah. Let's do this. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. And Q trying to sneak down. Was that a 5 minute chart? Yeah, that's an hour chart. No wonder. I thought we were gonna bounce here, but we really haven't. Oh, continues to move down. Quite the fall for NQ. Pal must be just an absolute ball of fun right now. Powell says, at the short end, the clock is ticking and more concerns public will incorporate higher inflation expectations. Money supply and inflation relationship have been unstable. I hate unstable relationships. So continue to make new lows of the day here. Low is 161 now. We're about right here from yesterday. Frying pan to the face, huh? Are you short now, RJ? You're not waiting till the open? Yeah, right there. That would have been a good one. Right there. Yep. 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 Like a good juicy YM. Shorts got 8 up on what, Black Beauty? Crude? There it comes back down. We are less than 5 minutes to the open. Lots of bells and whistles coming. Ding dong, ring, a ding 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 dong. Can't have bells without the whistles. It's like a rule or something. Yes, I'm babbling. Don't mind me. I'm just weird. As we wait and we watch. Patience has been the key this morning because there's been a couple of times I wanted to jump into stuff that a couple times it would have worked, a couple times it wouldn't have. Never works when I just jump into something, seems. It's never good to jump in a pool that doesn't have water in it. Just an FYI. Of course, I'll be screwed if I jumped in a pool with water in it because I can't swim. So either way, I just need to stay away from pools. Yes, I'm babbling. I have no idea why. They call me the babbler. And we're just absolutely sideways here up until the open. Yeah, move down, further down. Down we go. Where she stops, nobody knows. Oh, bounce there. Less than 2 minutes. We are rocking and rolling. So bells and whistles coming up. There's a setting. There's a setting for normal latency, low latency, and ultra low latency. I was using normal latency, did not even realize that existed, and I changed it to ultra low latency. Now the drawback to that is there's potential for more times where you might see a swirling stream if there's any little blip. Normal latency, it takes most of those little blips out, but ultra low, if any time that the internet wants to be stupid. And there's the open. 23 points down, 24, 30. Whoa, I should have listened to RJ. Never doubt the RJ. MightyOxTrading at gmail.com. So that dipped 55 points on NQ there. It's coming back up. Or maybe not. YM, wow, look at YM go. I always should listen to RJ. I think if I listened to RJ, I'd already be past this Tostep. 81 points on YM on this candle, so that's a $400 candle. Yeah, I figured that out, Black Beauty. So everybody besides me listened to RJ. YM's still red, meanwhile NQ's trying to go green. Which is always good. It's good to go green. ES all the way down to 39.48. It's down 7 points on this opening candle. Okay, now we're starting to see a bounce. Or maybe. YUB still heading upish. Copper downish. Great job, RJ. MightyOxTrading at gmail.com. Never doubt it, Beauty. She knows her stuff when it comes to crude. And RJ knows his stuff when it comes to NQ and YM. If I just listened to everybody else, and I would be a much smarter person. That said, I didn't think it was going to continue to come down, and it's continuing to come down. My back itches. There we go. Okay. So definitely free falling. NQ 71 points last hourly candle, 61 this candle. Everyone thought we might be heading back up. I did not think we were going to be doing that well today. Said I should have taken the trigger candle. Last couple trigger candles on the hourly chart have been good. My head hurts. BTC still falling. Watching here. Not seeing anything I want to grab. Nice move up on natural gas. Seeing where our opening 10-minute range ends up. Yep, rise up there by 25 points on NQ. ES is trying to fight back. I mean, sorry, not ES. YM. Strong candle up here. Morning, Zabak. NQ's trying to give a trigger candle there. Obviously, not a good one. Right back down. Very jumpy here. We're watching. YM's had 3 straight green candles. You do a good job, YFD. You're a good trader. Back down. So technically this was a trigger candle down. But I'm not trusting either right now. Oh. Strong move up. 16 points. Fading as the candle closes though. Whoa. This is not being agreeable by any means. Our opening 10-minute range was 60 points. Nice job, Dakota. Another nice move down here. Tending to think a downside move here. But not yet. Of course, that does that. So, wow. That's a 51-point candle. YM, that's a 100-point candle. Nice, Matt. I mean, theoretically, yeah, that was a trigger candle. I don't like 50-point 50-point trigger candles. Nice CVR. Wow. Okay. So missed that one because I was afraid that that trigger candle was just gonna come back right back down, but it worked. Granted, YM seems to be working better than I mean NQ today. Usually when you see a big candle like that, the next candle pulls back some. This time it didn't happen. Of course, there was no real wick at the top, so pulling back a little bit now. RJ, were you expecting this upwards move? Great job. Now, you're running that on an actual eval, right, Matt? Yeah, I guess so, or else you wouldn't shut it down if it was just on a sim. Never mind. Stupid question. So, wow, another burst up. I did say I expected a bounce, and you see NQ did come down and hit that fourth band on the hourly chart. So that was definitely a sign to move back up. That's excellent, Matt. Excellent CBR, excellent John. Everybody's killing it. Besides the Ox, who sits here and watches and commentates, marinates. Yep, John. RJ's really good on his calls, both for NQ and YM. The fact that I doubted him there really upsets me. I should never have doubted him. No, I shouldn't say I doubted him. I didn't doubt him. I just didn't take it. I believed in it, but I don't know, hesitated. I like that, RJ. But I need to start being Kirk Gibson too, because you know I need money too. I'm gonna start donating your part of your winnings. You can with monetization, it does allow you to donate now too. Start donating. I'm kidding around. I expected CFT to donate his Porsche by now. So far, no good. Still heading up here. Yeah, I think he's a Blue Jay fan. If I remember right. Images of Joe Carter still haunt my dreams. Guys, I think the Canadians are starting to outnumber us. So, watching and waiting when nothing else is going on. Let's see what everything else is happening. We move up on crude. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture is looking ugly too. Nice move up on the UltraBond. Copper found some footing. And we continue to grind back up. So once I broke that opening 10-minute range, I should have just jumped in off that candle. I'm going to draw out that opening range of what uses if I'm not going to use it. So we're just kind of grindy here. I mean, not grindy, but just moving on up to that deluxe apartment in the sky. Ooh, I didn't hit the high note well today. Deluxe apartment in the sky. Y'all gonna invite CFT too? So I have no idea how far Montreal is for you guys. CFT's in Montreal. Or those parts. Yeah, it's quite the drive. Although probably not that bad when you have a Porsche. Still heading upwards. So when this reverses, if it ever reverses, that should give a good play. Otherwise, so far this morning, I have 1 win, 1 loss. Down slightly in the morning, but up overall from last night. No. Ish. Not that I noticed. Of course, I don't really follow the Ninja Trader charts. I watch TradingView and Trade of 8. That's not what she said. I didn't notice anything major, Ace, but of course I also didn't notice it breaking out of the opening range and going 100 points. So, one day I'm going to catch a 100-point move, and then I'll probably die of a heart attack. Absolutely. uh, this is what I get for showing my face on camera just once. Yeah. I replaced that around Christmas time last year. Gotta do what you gotta do in your po folk. I still hear. I mean, it's my backup in case something went wrong with this one. I did get a pair of earbuds for the phone that it would work for the computer too, I guess. If you all be good, then maybe at Christmas time you'll get to see the ox in a Santa hat. The ox also thinks it's weird when someone talks about themselves in the third person. Or first person. Third person? I don't remember. Yep. Nice high day move on Crude. So for me, 1 minute chart. Let's see here. There's absolutely nothing else is going on. That would have been a beautiful trigger candle. Beautiful. This is the opening 10-minute range. Once it got above that, that would have been good anyway, but even without that, this would have been a good trigger candle. Any short trigger candles would have been not have worked, obviously. And then this would have been a good trigger candle. Yeah, on the downside there for, that would have actually been good and good early on for that pullback on the bigger move, and that would have been good. Oh, and Q doing something now? Yep, there we go. Now we're breaking down. But I don't like it. I think it's gonna. Nope, 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 nope. It's not ready yet. I'm on Sharevision one more night tonight. Then we might be switching back to YouTube for evening streams next week, unless they get their crap figured out. I should have taken this trigger. I'm missing everything today. I didn't trust it because of eh, eh. Taking a short on YM. That'd be awesome. Yeah, but AC's talking about Sharevision. Sharevision hasn't paid me, so I'm gonna stop streaming there until they do. Oh, target hit. Out with one. Other one runs. Stop move to just above break even. Beautiful. Beautiful. Pulling back just a bit. Pulling back more than I hoped. Let's see. Let's see, new candle. Let's see. Ooh. Trying to rebound here. Trying to give it some space though. Gotta try and let the runners run, but this one looks like it wants to come back and bite me. Yep, I'm out. So I took a $50 win on the second one. Overall, now though, we're up 485 on the day. Been better off if I had just taken the profit on the two. coming right back down. So I'm just not good at letting these runners not run. Oh, definitely. Oh yeah. Keep forgetting to run that. Thank you, Dakota. It looks like it did get out at the right time. It would have came back up there. Let's try to bounce. See that curl. Once again, guys, reminder, tomorrow, me and CFT are on the Just Swinging It podcast live on Twitter Spaces, and then it'll be available wherever you get your podcast afterwards for debates about micros and charts. CFT hates those things. We're going to debate about it. Technical analysis, price action, DOM trading. Nice move up here. Oh, they owe me. Overall, it's probably like $1,500. And I've had to tighten some things up because of that. Yeah, I mean, no one should ever just blindly start using a method along here in YM again. No one should ever start just using a method without sim trading it first. Yeah, I mean, don't just jump in, sim trade it. I only jumped in with one here accidentally. That kind of sucked. Ooh, big pullback there. Went right back down. Hate it when it does that. Ah, it's gonna stop me out here. So came up and then went nowhere. So that was nice. Back down to 356 on the day. And comes down, stops me out, and then goes back up. And okay, came back down. So should I have taken profit there? We'll see. Probably. Now that I look at it from a macro view. Trigger candle back down. Arch trying. NQ is as well. NQ is looking stable again. That's a 16-point candle down. We're gonna. Nah. We'll stick with YM. What the heck? That's bouncing back up though. Not the trigger. If you're enjoying the content, guys, and you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continue to help people find this community. So it came down, wicked me out, and then went back up. What a jerk. I guess it did. Well, yeah. I got stopped out at 52. It came down to 50. It's just hemming and hawing here. That's a move down. Had some spread there. You can see that candle closed at 66. This one opened at 58. Really? Wow. That was some interesting spread there. Technically, this is now the trigger candle, even though no candle body is actually touching the EMA, because it just jumped like 8. It's interesting. Although now it's back up anyway. Back up. Sit your cup down. Tangerine and chronic here. I'm messed up now. So coming back down or trying again. It is a kind of trending down-ish. The sound my body makes when I wake up. Shorting. Hey, shorty. It's time to give me some points. Okay, that again sounded much better in my head. Oh, well, ouch. Okay, well, that didn't work. I just gave back most of my profit on the day. It's now $89. Yay! Ah, yes. Trade, they said. It'll be easy, they said. And look at that go. So, this is going my pattern. I've been green on Asia all week, and I give it back during the day. And everyone tells me I can't make money in Asia when I'm making most of my money in Asia. Not actually in Asia. I'm not like flying there at night and flying back. So that candle up would have been a good trigger. And RJ, I don't think it was true resistance, or if it was, it blew down that door really quick. It didn't have to huff and puff. And look at this move back up. Now our high here was 269, and we just hit 271. Well, yeah, I know. It was, I just thought it was funny that it's almost as soon as you typed that, it blew through it. And almost up to 600 here. Wow, it's a strong move up here out of the blue. Out of the blue. 60 points up on NQ. Pulling down. We see NQ and NQ and YM are kind of like making the same exact moves right now. Synchronized charting. It's gonna be a new Olympic sport. Gold squeezy, UltraBond coming down. Oh, there's the 520s. NQ sending a trigger candle down. Not convinced by it. I've said that earlier, and I keep getting bitten by not being convinced. Yep, I should have been convinced, maybe. Well, we'll see. This might be that pullback. Peanut butter, time. Yep, bouncing. So I was right not to be convinced. Hanging here now. Still red candles. Like a candle in the wind. And keep trying to convince me it wants to short here, but I don't believe it yet. And there's the green. Taking a long here. That's what I think it's going to do. Taking a long on NQ. Kind of was thinking YM, but I had the NQ chart up. So hey, what the heck. I think YM's a stronger one. Yep, it's going to come back down and knock me. Yep, I was premature. Very hard to see that. There we go. Sometimes I forget you guys aren't seeing my trade of 8 chart. Wait, what? What's my stop on this? Oh, that's right. It's a 15-point stop. Oops. Good morning, Abdel. Welcome. I've never traded pajamas. Oh, sorry. Okay. Nothing wrong with being a pajama trader. Okay, so it did not stop me out yet. Maybe I should have taken that as a gift and gotten out. Maybe I'm brilliant. I would hold off on the brilliant idea. YM seems to be stronger here. Come on, NQ, follow YM. It's fun to follow the YM. Oh, I shouldn't have serenaded it. Ouch. Went back down for me. Maybe coming back up for me. Yep, I should have taken YM. YM's looking much healthier here. I'm glad you joined us, Abdel. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, let me know. Ah, I figured you were. I thought NQ would follow. I mean, honestly, I meant to enter YM, but I had the NQ chart up, so I just went with it. I didn't. I meant to enter YM, but here it comes. Maybe not. Here it comes. Maybe not. That's annoying, probably. By the way, I love it, RJ, that you use PB to quickly type pullback, and now you're saying peanut butter. That's longer than pullback was to type. And I'm out. Stopped out. Now I'm down 14, 214 on the day. So nice, you know. I think maybe I'm just gonna start trading the Asia session. I seem to do better on that, and that's gonna wick me out, and it's gonna go now. Watch. Maybe not. Performance account or Pennsylvania? Neither one. No. Yeah. Oh, look at the. Oh yeah, stop me out. And look at that beautiful candle. I was in at 250. Stopped me out at 235. Oh my goodness. To the tick. It did not go a tick lower than my stop, which was a 15-point stop. and then just moved up to 275, which would have been a nice 20-point win. I'm cursed. I've got to be cursed. And right back down, though. I'm glad you got back to green, Glitch. Sorry, I missed that originally. But yeah, it's very choppy now. Right now, we're right at where we closed and opened yesterday evening. My wrist is hurting today. Not sure why. Yep, great call. YM definitely did the smoother move there. And here. Watching. Might be getting a little swirling. YouTube's giving me a bit of a warning here. So, another bad day of trading for me. I don't know how I did so well for 3 weeks and just all of a sudden just... I mean, that stopped me out to the wick. How unlucky can I get? To the tick, not to the wick. But you know what I mean. There's you just got through the mud there, RJ. People are still on September. Ninja Trader's trying to trying to get everyone to roll now, but it's too early. I forget, what were you after? Oh, 681. Uh, Actually, Black Beauty, I was with the trend there. I was long. It pulled back, hit my 15-point stop, and then went. I was in the right direction. I'm not sure why Ninja's trying to force rolls already. If we do a quick look, let's go over here. ES. This is the September contract. And daily chart. Volume. The volume for today is 866. If we go to December, ES. ESZ. Is that what it is? ESZZZ. Yeah, there we go. It's only 156, so the September contract still has like 5 times the amount of volume. Although you can see more people are rolling, you can see the volume pick up. Why Ninja Trader? This is really early in the month for an attempt to roll. CME has it on their calendar that the roll is on Tuesday. But most people, tend to take it to the end of the week and don't roll to the end of the week. What's wonderful is that on Tuesday is also the CPI report. So when rolling people, there's gonna be some rolling to the new contract, some staying on the old contract. So the CPI report's gonna be ultra thin when that hits. It's gonna make one huge move one way or the other probably. Right. Yeah, way too early to roll. Wait, last day. Um, I don't know. It is kind of confusing this month for some reason. Uh, I don't know. Maybe we're rolling this weekend instead of next. If the last date to trade them is the 16th, yeah, we might be rolling them this weekend because they expire Friday, which means that I believe we have a quad witching event on the 16th. Ouch. Yeah, that's, the one confusing thing about futures is the whole rolling thing. Trying to figure out what the front month is. At least with equities, it's only every 3 months. With energies and stuff, it's like every month. And usually, you can rely on NinjaTrader to tell you the right time to roll. But it's just this time, I couldn't believe it started popping up. But I guess maybe, I don't know. If it's expiring on the 16th, this would be the time we roll, I guess. I don't know. I'm confused. I'll wait till I see more volume in December until until I roll. Autobots, roll out. We're still grinding up, and we got your level there, RJ. So another great call by RJ. If I listened to RJ today, I think I'll be up like $1,000. Tomorrow I'm just gonna sit here and let RJ feed me trades. I'm joking. I would never put that much pressure on somebody. That's always good. Matt LaRocca used to bring the coffee, but he hasn't brought so many lately. I'm not a fan of watermelon. Oh, wow, Burl and Matt just brought coffee. Hey, Burl, I've been talking up tomorrow's podcast. Are you gonna play referee between me and CFT? We're continuing to grind up. high of GoBX was 12,332. We're like 10 points away. Well, I didn't say you had to be an impartial referee. So you'll hit him with a steel chair when his back's turned. Yep, remember, epic battle tomorrow. Me versus CFT. Convincing him how wrong he is to hate micros and to hate charts. To hate kittens. To hate the American way of life. No, I'm kidding. It's just about charts and micros. Start spreading these rumors, and could like see people start unsubbing from his channel. He'd be like, "What the heck?" Yeah, that was a joke. It was a joke. It was a joke. He hasn't even stopped in here today to defend himself. uh, yep. Tomorrow, 3:30, Twitter Spaces. Do we have a link for that yet, Burrow? A daily chart. No wonder. It's pulled back here some. Got up to 325, which was close to that GoBX high. No idea if I'm pronouncing that right either. Pulled back by about 30 points. Hanging right around 12,300. YM hanging here too. bounced back up. Gonna make another run for the high of the day. Make another run for the border. Haven't seen babyfish on much this week. Mr. G must have cut out early today. G-Man's totally left us. Wow. I'm just sitting here. NQ's kind of butting up against high day. We have it's about 5 minutes left on the stream. Not happy about going backwards again today. So this week I have done great in Asia and given back in New York. So we want the bulls to get their balls back, huh? Yes, sometimes. It depends. I kind of work and try and trade to it sometimes. I just don't stream all day because people will get tired of me. It's been a couple of different. It's been a couple of losses. It wasn't all at one time. Got stopped out to the wick here. And look at that move up. I got over back here. See, I went long here. And the market decided, nope, it wicked. This candle came down here and stopped me out to the tick and then went. Hi, Red Gold. How you doing? Thank you, Burl. Getting it now. Here is the link for tomorrow's podcast with me and CFT. We'll be debating use of micros and the use of charts. Hope you can join us for that live. If not, Burl usually gets it up on the Just Swinging It podcast site, whatever, any place you get your podcasts, within a day or two usually. Nice job. It's better than being down, Red Gold, like me. I didn't update it, but I'm down. What am I down? 214. I should probably update that. CFT trades totally off the DOM. He doesn't like charts at all, and he doesn't like indicators. He doesn't like technical analysis. He's 100% price action off the DOM. By the way, we hit new high day on the NQ. Back in my day, we did price action and off an abacus. So yeah, I don't, I don't see how anyone could ever do something like NQ off of the DOM. Seriously. Give me a second here. That's the NQ DOM right now. I mean, there'd be no way. It's like twitching. I mean, it's just like, if there's anyone that trades completely off the DOM for NQ, it's got to be. I mean, they have to be on some serious meds to be able to follow that. As NQ, I'm watching NQ rise up here, and even probably other things. Let's look. NQ. Let's see. Looking for YM on the DOM. It's gonna give me December, so December's probably not as jumpy anyway. This is NQ. Wait, where did it go? Oops, what did I do? Yeah. It's stopped now because I accidentally stopped it, but yeah. I don't see anyone can do that at all. Wait, you use the DOM, RJ, for NQ? I wasn't watching the chat. I was just saying it must be on some serious meds. Sorry, I don't really think you're like drugged out or anything. So new high of the day, 363, which is the new high of yesterday, many days. Just trying to get back up to Friday. Friday we had a high of 461. So it doesn't look like I'm going to get anything else here because it's just going one direction, not the band. Gold's heading up. That's just been going one direction. Crude. Can't find. Ooh, wow, that was a nice move on crude. Oh, I totally forgot about crude oil inventories. Crude oil inventories happened just a couple minutes ago. That was a nice couple of moves there by crude. Yes, the delivery Burl. Burl speaking in emojis again. Okay, guys, I think we're going to call it here for today. Remember, I'm back on Sharevision maybe one last time tonight. And then back here tomorrow morning, 7:30 Eastern, for a good Friday action. And hopefully I can pull my head out of my butt and actually get some good trading done. Burl, yeah, well, maybe, maybe not. They haven't paid me in 3 months. I'm not going to keep streaming there if they're not going to pay me. They're owe me like $1,500. So they have been ignoring my emails, but now he finally got back to me. He said he's going to check on what's going on, so forth. So yeah, probably. But until I see money, I'm probably going to move over to YouTube for the evening streams. But for now, so we'll see what happens between now and Sunday. Maybe, I'm not going to keep giving them views and stuff if they're not going to give me anything back. So have a great rest of your day, everyone, and we shall talk this evening or tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.